Regardless of the final floor finish, a smooth and sound base ensures that coating will not only be easier to install, but provide the floor system with a more durable and reliable surface. Much like the foundation of a skyscraper, the base isn't visible. However, a vibrant, durable floor system can't exist without the quality of a properly installed base system. As boring and time-taking as it may seem, grind, blast, and prime are essential elements of the process that anchors the subsequent coating. This video demonstrated the removal of an existing floor system while simultaneously flattening the floor and correcting any inequalities. The shot blaster removed any residual grinding dust that wasn't removed with the vacuum. Once the process was complete, Josh installed the primer in order to seal the surface to limit absorption of the water which was used with the overlay. Once the primer is dry, Josh pulled tight using a trowel to create a uniform canvas. After drying overnight, Josh copied the simple design, added color, and introduced the application. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this segment of the BMD Learning Series. Again, we invite you to subscribe to the BMD YouTube channel, and don't forget to click that bell icon to be notified when we post a new video.